In this video, I'm going to show you how to clone the JSP1 repository from Azure DevOps Online to your C drive. So just to show you again the location that we'll be cloning it to. So under C, under the dev folder, ADSDI company folder, we're going to have an empty JSP1 folder. That's going to be our destination. Then logging on to Azure DevOps, we're going to be if you log on using the links I had sent you previously, you should get to the Azure DevOps website and just click on Azure DevOps at the top. You'll see ADSDI as the company under it, and then we'll want to go into the JSP1 project. You won't see these other projects out here, but just JSP1, we'll want to go into that project. And then this icon here will show us the repositories, and so we'll just click on Files. So you'll see the file content, and what's shown below is actually the content of this README file. So we're going to click on the clone button here, and that will give us a link under HTTPS over here, and just click this icon to capture that in your clipboard, because we're going to need that. So I've captured that. Now I'm going to open Visual Studio 2019 Preview by clicking on the icon on the taskbar. I'm going to select the clone or repository big button there at the top. And here I'm just going to paste in the value I got from the Azure DevOps website. That's the location of the repository online. And then the local path, I want not to use whatever this defaults to, but I want to go out and navigate to C dev ADSDI JSP1. So you might have to navigate there. Mine was set because I've been in this directory just recently. I'm going to select that folder. So I've got my online repository location there, and I've got my local path here. And all I need to do now is click on Clone, and you'll see output down here at the bottom that indicates that the repository is being cloned and it's actually being opened. So now I'm going to go back to my Windows File Explorer, and you can see that inside the JSP1 folder that was empty just a minute ago, we now have the repository cloned, which basically has our play folder. We don't have the work folder out here yet, and then the apps folder underneath that, and the basic console app under that. The libs that we created earlier are not here because they haven't been checked in. So we successfully cloned that project down to your local disk.